If you're completely new to Amazon KDP, the hardest part usually isn't publishing a book. It's figuring out what kind of book to start with. Because the moment you begin researching, you'll see thousands of ideas. Think coloring books, journals, activity books, puzzle books, and suddenly the whole thing starts to feel overwhelming. So instead of guessing, I want to make this very simple for you. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 KDP books you can sell on Amazon as a complete beginner. These are books that are easier to create, tend to have less competition than the big trendy niches, and most importantly, they're types of books that consistently sell year-round. These are practical books that people continue buying again and again. Think of these as smart starting points. These kinds of books that give beginners a real chance to publish something, get it seen on Amazon, and begin understanding how the platform actually works. Because once you publish that first book, the entire process starts to make a lot more sense. So let's walk you through 5 beginner-friendly KDP books you can start with today. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first book is going to be a book called the Pixel Mystery Coloring Book. And you're going to see just a grid here with letters and numbers. And if I scroll up here, you're going to see a key or a palette here. So these numbers are designated a certain color, vice versa. And basically any number that you see and letter that you see on the grid corresponds to a color that it needs to be colored in. Basically, once it's completed, it will show a full color illustration. These are pretty popular books, but not too competitive in the KDP space. And as you can see, that's basically what it is. Here is the palette or the key, and then here's the other puzzle. Now, these ones are circles instead of squares. Here's another square grid. And basically, this is what it's supposed to look like when it's completed. On the right-hand side, you can see the completed image, and then you can see the actual grid on the left-hand side. And as I said before, you can do squares, you could do dots, diamonds. There's a lot of variety when it comes to this type of coloring book or activity book. And you can see some examples here of what it looks like when it's completed. Very fun for the customers. If we actually look at this book, this is a #1 bestseller in this niche and has 100 of these puzzles, so 209 pages in total length. Now, there is a way to create these pretty easily. I'll link that tool down below if you want to start creating this type of coloring book, activity book. And we can see with that bestsellers rank of 281, 30-day royalties, that's pretty astounding. Anywhere from $18,000 to almost $28,000 per month. Now, if we actually take a look at the niche itself, this is the Pixel Mystery Coloring Book. We see total results 2,165. Like I said, not too competitive for a pretty popular type of activity book, coloring book. And we see the average bestsellers rank really low here, 244,000 on the first page. The niche score extremely high at 81. Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. And scrolling down, that #1 bestseller is right here. There's another example right here of mythical creatures. Here's one right here, just recently published, already selling a few copies already. And then here's another bestseller right here. Royalties $8,000 to $13,000 per month. Here's another one right here, Mystery Mosaic, color by number. Royalties estimated $5,000 to $8,000 per month. Bestsellers rank 4,416. Another one right here, 11,000 BSR, 12,000 BSR, 120,000 BSR, 14,000 BSR, and so on and so forth. You see the demand with these types of coloring books. And like I said, it's not that complicated to make. I've made many videos on how to actually start creating these if you want to check that out on my channel. Also, if you're interested in creating this type of coloring book, there is a pretty helpful tool that I've linked in the description down below, so feel free to go ahead and check that. Now, the next KDP book is going to be the dot marker activity book. You can see a bunch of circles inside this illustration, and it's really as simple as that. And this is where those dot markers come in, because the customer, or in this case a child, is going to go ahead and use dot markers to just color in these circles right here. Very easy, very fun. And this type of book is actually pretty easy to put together. You don't need any special tools. You can use a free program like Canva to do all of these. Here's another one right here. This is of a rocket ship, pretty simple. And then some more examples here on the back cover. Now, taking a look at this book, you can see the bestsellers rank 980. And so that's good for estimated royalties around $4,000 to over $6,000 per month, all coming from this one simple book. Now, this book is priced at $7.99, but as we can see, 4.8 out of 5 rating, 87% a 5-star. So very simple type of book, only 50 pictures or illustrations, so not a lot of work. And if we actually take a look at this niche, the dot marker activity coloring book, total results 1,235, so not too competitive here. Very low average bestsellers rank, 157,000 on the first page, and a niche score really high here, 81. Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 6, opportunity is a 9. And looking through these books, you have one right here ranked at 970. So that's 2 books in the top 1,000. Here's one right here ranked at 5,000. This one's ranked at 8,000 with those estimated royalties about $1,000 per month. Here's another one, 10,000 BSR, 7,000 BSR, 300,000 BSR, 8,000 BSR, and here's one, 29,000 BSR. So you can see there's a lot of demand for this type of book, and not that difficult to create. Now, the next KDP book is going to be a coloring book, and this one's going to be the axolotl coloring book. And this is the axolotl right here in the chair. And if we actually scroll through some of the pages, you can see it's just basically an axolotl doing different types of things, so different scenes, but same character. And this is what a lot of customers like these days. It's kind of like a storytelling type of coloring book. But as you can see, pretty simple, not too complicated. I mean, it can look quite complicated if you had to draw this by hand. Luckily, there are AI tools these days that you can actually create this type of illustration with just some simple prompt engineering. And I've shown this many times on my channel. If you want to check out a simple prompt list that you can actually start creating these types of books, I'll leave one of those prompt lists down below in the description if you want to check it out. Now, this book has a bestsellers rank of 66,124. So for 30-day royalties estimated, a couple $100 per month. And so far, so good. 7 reviews, all 5 stars. So a very good start for this book. Priced at $9.99. Pretty typical of a coloring book, and about 40 illustrations, as you can see right there, with a total print length 84 pages. Now, taking a look at this niche, you can see total results 381. Not too competitive here. Actually, a great niche that has a lot of potential, and a niche score here of 66. Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9, and right off the bat, a bestseller right here. Royalties about $1,000 to $1,400 per month with a bestsellers rank 38,000. The next book has a bestsellers rank of 66,000. 184,000, 11,000, another bestseller at 20,000. So you can see at a very small sample size, these books are doing quite well. Only 300 or so competitors. The next row, 52,000 BSR, 165,000. The book that we looked at, 66,000, and so on and so forth. So a lot of opportunity here to go ahead and get some sales with a very simple type of book. Now, the next KDP book is called the Word Fill-In Puzzle Book. Now, this is commonly mistaken with crosswords, and it's similar, but it's actually different. These are word fill-ins where you have 3 letters, 5 letters, but basically you're going to put all of these letters inside this grid with no boxes left over and no words left over here. That's the name of the game. And the biggest thing that you can see is that a lot of these letters don't actually end up sounding like words. And so just random letters, you just put it on the grid, you try to find its place. And as you can see, that's basically the entirety of the book. And so if you had a tool or a generator that could create these type of puzzles, well, it's actually quite easy to create this book, especially when you can customize it and actually use real words for these letters instead of random letters. Then you can really customize these puzzles because you could go with themes. You can target different types of customers. But as you can see, pretty simple type of concept, but it's actually quite powerful because these books tend to sell very, very well. This book specifically, bestsellers ranked 24,313. 30-day royalties estimated anywhere from $400 to almost $700 per month. Now, this book is a little bit lengthy, almost 300 pages, which equates to why the price is about $14.99. And that is because it has 500 word fill-in puzzles. But like I said before, if you have a generator, if you have a tool that can create this, it actually makes it pretty easy. So it doesn't actually take up a lot of time, and it's not really difficult to put it all together. Now, taking a look at the niche, total results 818, so not very competitive here. Now, I did make a search for word fill-in puzzle book for seniors because it's going to be less competitive, but you're going to be able to attract similar type of customers. But these books are still performing very, very well. As we see, a niche score of 71, quite high. Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 5, opportunity is an 8. And looking through these books, here's one right here, 257,000. So royalties here, about $100 per month. And mind you, this is a very simple book to create. So there's really no harm, no foul in trying to create these. If one book hits, well, as you can see right here, it could do pretty well, a couple $1,000s in estimated royalties with a book ranking of 24,000. Here's one, 100,000 BSR, couple $100 per month in royalties. Here's another one, 20,000 BSR, couple $100 to $1,000 per month in estimated royalties. And just some more examples here, 200,000 BSR, 257,000 BSR. Here's one right here, 28,000 BSR, royalties anywhere from $2,000 to over $3,000 per month. Now, like I said, if you want to start creating this type of word fill-in puzzle book, you can check my channel for the videos I did specifically on this book. And also you can just check out the link in the description if you want to start creating these types of word fill-in puzzles. Now, the next KDP book is going to be a log book. Now, this one specifically is called the Low Income Savings Challenge book. And basically what it is are just challenges to save some money. So for example, this one, let's save $200 in 30 days. So these apples signify the 30 days, and then the dollar amounts inside all equate up to $200. So there's a start date, there's a finish date, some notes. Very simple type of book to create. You don't need any fancy tools with this one. You can actually just create it purely off of Canva. Here's another example. Instead of apples, these are hearts. Let's save $400 in 40 days. So here are 40 hearts and $10 in each of them. So $400 total. And as you can see, the variety of the challenges here, you can just kind of be creative with it. This is $300 in 40 days, $500 in 30 days. And as you can see, the designs can be anything that you want. This one, $6,000 in 40 weeks. So here are houses. So this one is more of a challenge, maybe for saving for a down payment on a house. Here's one right here, $25,000 in 52 weeks. These are big numbers right here. But these are very easy pages to create. You could actually just take right here in the details, you could take this as a guide on how to create your own pages, but just make and create your own custom pages. But this is a great starting point because you don't actually have to think about the challenges. You can kind of just tweak these around. And look at the price, $9.99 with a 70,000 BSR. So this book is making anywhere from $300 to almost $500 per month in estimated royalties. Not so bad for just a log book, which is just a simple book. Now looking at this niche, total results 317, so not very competitive here. Niche score 57, Titans Pro analysis, demand is a 5, opportunity is an 8. And you can see right here the bestsellers ranks. This one has a ranking of 70,000. 64,000, 195,000, 46,000, scrolling down, 114,000, 60,000, 200,000, and so on and so forth. A lot of books here that are performing pretty well. So if you wanted to create something that wasn't a coloring book or an activity book, and you wanted to start with a log book, this is a great option right here. So if you want to try this out, it's called the Low Income Savings Challenge book. Now, the most important thing when starting Amazon KDP isn't finding the perfect book idea. It's finding a good starting point. The 5 book types we talked about today are designed to do exactly that. Give beginners something practical they can actually create, publish, and learn from. Once you start publishing books and seeing how Amazon organizes listings, ranks products, and surfaces new titles to customers, the whole system becomes much easier to understand. If you want a clear framework that ties all of this together, you can download my KDP royalty roadmap in the description down below. It's completely free and it'll walk you through the bigger strategy behind building your KDP catalog step by step. Because success on KDP rarely comes from one single book. It comes from understanding the process and then building from there. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.